If you don't know how the sectors on the stock market work, then there's a big chance you will lose money. Well, in this video, you're in for a treat, because we're about to unravel the stock market secrets and explore the 11 different sectors that drive it. So whether you're a seasoned trader looking to expand your horizons, or a newbie eager to grasp the fundamentals, you're in the right place. We're going to break down these sectors one by one and explain to you why diversification in your own investment portfolio is very important. Understanding these sectors is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Before we start, please be so kind as to subscribe. I'm a small channel trying to grow, and your help would be much appreciated. Thank you. So here they are, the 11 sectors on the stock market. Enjoy the video. 1. Energy sector, ticker XLE. The energy sector has companies involved in the exploration, production, refining and distribution of energy resources. It includes companies like ExxonMobil, ticker XOM, and Chevron, ticker CVX. This sector plays a critical role in powering our world. Factors like global energy demand, geopolitical events, and shifts towards cleaner technologies profoundly impact this sector's performance. For example, disruptions in the oil supply chain can send shockwaves through the market, affecting ExxonMobil and Chevron's stock prices. On the other hand, the companies with a bigger focus on renewable energy benefit from the growing emphasis on sustainable practices and the transition to clean energy sources. 2. Technology sector, ticker XLK. The technology sector is at the forefront of innovation, comprising tech giants like Apple, ticker AAPL, Microsoft, ticker MSFT, and Nvidia, ticker NVDA, software developers, and hardware manufacturers. With constant advancement in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and consumer electronics, this sector is a driving force behind economic growth, influencing our daily lives in countless ways. Apple's innovative products, from iPhones to MacBooks, have made it a household name. Microsoft, with its software and cloud computing services, underpins countless businesses globally. Nvidia is very dominant in the chip sector. The recent breakthrough in AI has skyrocketed the demand for Nvidia's chips. Technological breakthroughs, consumer trends, and global market dynamics significantly influence these companies and the technology sector as a whole. This sector is also known for its growth companies. I made another video explaining the differences between growth and value investing, which might be good to check out next. Health sector, ticker XLV. In the health sector, you'll find pharmaceutical giants like Johnson & Johnson, ticker JNJ, and Pfizer, ticker PFE, alongside biotechnology firms and healthcare providers. This sector's performance is closely linked to medical breakthroughs, drug approvals, and demographic trends. For instance, Johnson & Johnson is known for its diverse portfolio, including consumer healthcare products, pharmaceutical, and medical devices, making it a resilient stock. Pfizer is recognized for its innovative drug development, while healthcare providers like United Health Group, ticker UNH, play a crucial role in managing health insurance and services. Factors such as healthcare policy changes, patent expiration, and the demand for life-saving innovations can significantly affect the stock prices within this sector. Before we get to the next sector, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. It is no effort to you, and it will really help me grow the channel and reach out to more people. Thank you for your help. Consumer discretionary sector, ticker XLY. The consumer discretionary sector includes companies offering non-essential goods and services, such as Amazon, ticker AMZN, and Tesla, ticker TSLA. Economic health and consumer sentiment heavily impact this sector. Amazon's e-commerce empire and streaming services have reshaped retail and entertainment, while Tesla's electric vehicles and innovative technologies have disrupted the automotive industry. Other examples are McDonald's, ticker MCD, and Nike, ticker NKE. Consumer trends, spending patterns, and shifts in tastes can significantly affect stock prices within this sector. The rise of e-commerce, streaming, and the influence of social media platforms further highlights the dynamic nature of all these companies. 5. Consumer staples sector. Consumer staples encompass essential products like Procter & Gamble, ticker PG, for household goods, and the Coca-Cola Company, ticker KO, for beverages. This sector is known for its stability, as people continue to buy these products even during economic downturns. Procter & Gamble offers a wide range of everyday consumer products, from cleaning supplies to personal care items. The Coca-Cola Company is synonymous with its iconic soft drinks. It's influenced by factors like commodity prices, changing dietary preferences, and global supply chain issues, which can impact the stock prices of companies within this sector. 6. Financial sector, ticker XLF. The financial sector includes banks like JP Morgan Chase & Co., ticker JPM, investment companies such as Berkshire Hathaway, ticker BRK.B, and investment firms like Goldman Sachs, ticker GS. Interest rates, government regulations, and economic conditions play an important role in its performance. JP Morgan is one of the largest banks globally, offering various financial services. Berkshire Hathaway, led by Warren Buffett, is known for its diverse portfolio, including insurance and investments. Goldman Sachs, a prominent investment bank, is deeply involved in global financial markets. The sector acts as the backbone of the economy, facilitating capital flow and risk management, making it a cornerstone for stability and growth. 7. Industrial sector, ticker XLI. Companies in the industrial sector are involved in manufacturing, construction, and transportation. This sector includes firms like Boeing, ticker BA, and Caterpillar, ticker CAT. Economic expansion, infrastructure development, and global trade dynamics impact this sector. Boeing is a major player in aerospace, manufacturing, commercial, and military aircraft. Caterpillar, a leader in construction and mining equipment, plays a crucial role in infrastructure development. It's a barometer for economic growth, reflecting shifts in production and logistics, and its performance is often intertwined with global trade policies and economic conditions. 8. Materials sector, ticker XLB. The materials sector is all about the production of raw materials, chemicals, and mining. Examples include Dow Inc., ticker DOW, and Ecolab Inc., ticker ECL. Commodity prices, supply-demand imbalances, and environmental regulations influence this sector. Dow Inc. is a major player in chemicals, while Ecolab specializes in water and hygiene solutions. The sector is vital for understanding the basics of industrial production and construction, making it susceptible to factors like fluctuating resource prices, shifts in global demand, and evolving environmental standards. 9. Real estate sector, ticker XLRE. The real estate sector is composed of companies in property development, management, and real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. Notable examples include Simon Property Group, ticker SPG, and American Tower Corporation, ticker AMT. This sector mirrors the state of the property market and is sensitive to interest rates, urbanization, and demographic shifts. Simon Property Group is one of the largest mall operators in the world, while American Tower focuses on real estate infrastructure for communication equipment. The performance of real estate stocks within this sector can be influenced by factors such as changes in the interest rates, population migration, and economic conditions that drive demand for properties. 10. Communication services sector, ticker XLC. The communication service sector includes media companies, telecoms, and content providers. Examples encompass giants like Alphabet Inc., which includes Google, ticker GOOGL, Meta, the mother company of Facebook, ticker META, and AT&T, ticker T. It thrives on technology, content creation, and the competition for consumers' attention. Alphabet Inc., Google's parent company, dominates the search engine and online advertising space. Meta is the owner of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. They are social media and advertising powerhouses. AT&T is a major telecommunication company with the goal to connect people. Industry consolidation, regulatory changes, and technological innovations are key drivers that can significantly impact the stock prices within this sector. 11. Utilities sector, ticker XLU. Utilities encompass companies providing essential services like water, gas, and electricity. Prominent examples include Next Era Energy, NEE, and Dominion Energy, D. As a defensive sector, it's known for its stability and reliable income, with demand relatively immune to economic cycles. Next Era Energy, in addition to its role in renewable energy, is one of the largest electric utility companies in the United States. Dominion Energy is a leader in natural gas and electric power distribution. Regulatory decisions, infrastructure investments, and environmental concerns shape the outlook for this sector, and it's often sought after for its consistent dividends and steady performance. So now you know all the 11 different sectors on the stock market. Use this knowledge to your advantage. I personally believe it is important to diversify with many factors, but a very important one is sector diversification. In my portfolio, I try to make sure that none of the sectors have a too high percentage in my portfolio. When a sector has a too prominent part in my portfolio, then my portfolio is susceptible to the specific risks of that sector. By spreading over the sectors, I lower this risk. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, then please subscribe so you won't miss any future updates. It will also help me out immensely to grow the channel and reach more people. It's just a click of the button. What sectors are you invested in the most? Which sectors have a bad future? Let me know in the comments below. I will respond to every comment. But for now, I will say thank you and see you next time.